All right, we have breaking updates now coming in. A big update coming in on the Delhi airport canopy crash. The aviation minister has met those who were injured in the unfortunate accident. He is currently at the hospital. Earlier today, he was at the Delhi airport at Terminal 1. He took stock of the situation there. He also announced a compensation. He also is now meeting the injured. The injured are currently in the hospital. 8 people being injured in the unfortunate tragedy. 1 person has also lost his life. After the canopy collapsed in Terminal 1, the visuals of it on your screens, and a complete part of the roof collapsed on several vehicles that were parked underneath. My colleague Akanksha is joining us with the update. Akanksha, the Civil Aviation Minister visited the Terminal 1 earlier today, and now he's currently at the hospital. What are the details of what the Aviation Minister spoke about? Because earlier today, when he was at the airport as well, he announced compensation.
Well, that's right. Civil Aviation Minister Rammohan Naidu arrived at the spot where the incident took place, and he took stock of the situation. He was briefed by the Delhi Police CISF officials and NDRF officials who were present there. Right now, that entire area has been cordoned off. No one is allowed there. And as soon as he took stock of the situation, he briefed media and said that compensation of 20 lakh will be given to the deceased, and 3 lakh will be given to those injured. And right after that, he went to Medanta Hospital, which is in IGI Airport. He went there and met with those injured. He also went on to say, while interacting with media, that strict action will be taken against those who are responsible for this, and a nationwide audit will, in fact, of all the airports will take place, especially keeping in mind that a monsoon is fast approaching. So this is what he said during the interaction with media, and also he went on to say that the reason for the collapse is unknown, but he will wait for the report to come to finally comment on that. But most importantly, he fact-checked and in fact debunked the claim that was made by the opposition parties that the area, the roof that collapsed today morning was inaugurated by the Prime Minister in March, in the month of March. He said that this area was in fact made in 2009. Remember, since the morning, TMC as well as Congress have been saying that this is the area which was inaugurated by the Prime Minister in fact this year only, but that is not true, and that has been fact-checked by the Union Civil Aviation Minister.
Absolutely. And politics of it aside, this is about the safety of the passengers. This is a major tragedy that could have taken place. It could have been much more in proportion. 1 death, 8 people injured. That section has been cordoned off completely now. And